Dear students, this is the part 4 of module 2. Today we will discuss about ion implantation process. So it is a surface treatment process by which ions of a material are implanted into the another solid material, and this will cause the physical, chemical and optical properties of the substrate or the target material. It is a low temperature process when you compare with the diffusion process. Now we can see the basic working principle of an ion implantation system. See the figure. There will be a precursor, that is the ion source. Consider we want to implant phosphorus onto the silicon substrate. So we can take the phosphorus gas, that is phosphine, as the ion source. When you ionize pH3, that is phosphine, we will get phosphorus and hydrogen ions. Actually we need only these phosphorus ions, not the hydrogen ions. So we need to remove these unwanted ions, these hydrogen ions. The whole ions are accelerated to the magnetic mass separator. This will act as a filter. There is a strong magnetic field. When the charged ion's velocity is perpendicular to the applied magnetic field direction, then the Lorentz force, it will act as a centripetal force that leads to the circular motion of these charged particles. So the radius of these particles will be proportional to the mass. Phosphorus and hydrogen ions, they will have different mass and they will have different radius. So we can easily catch these phosphorus ions. This ion selection aperture will pass only the desired ions. In our case, only the phosphorus ions. Then these ion beams, they are accelerated to increase their kinetic energy. When you increase the energy, the penetration of these particles onto the substrate, that is going to increase. This penetration depth, it is called the range of ions. Anyway, these accelerated ions are focused to the deflection plates. There will be X and Y deflection plates. These are used to effectively focus the charged particles onto the target, that is the substrate. Okay, this is the target or wafer. Here the important part is the accelerator. The ions are electrostatically accelerated to a high energy, to the required energy levels, and the impact or the penetration of particles can be effectively controlled. Typical ion energies are in the range of 10 to 500 kiloelectron volt. Okay. So these are the advantages of ion implantation process. The precise control of dose and depth. It is a very fast process. Then it is a low temperature process when you compare with other diffusion process. It also permits wide range of impurities. In the next class, we can learn about sol gel process. Okay, thank you.